Built wild and ready for the outdoors. Nandito na ang sasakyan na maaari niyong makasama sa inyong adventures. Mapa sa smooth terrain man o maging sa off-road. Ngayong Biyernes, June 14, ipinasilip na sa publiko ng Ford Pampanga sa ilalim ng Laos Group of Companies ang all-new Ford Bronco. Game changer pagdating sa innovation, design at performance.
We offer a 2.7-liter engine and EcoBoost and a 10-speed automatic transmission.
Perfect daw ang all-new Ford Bronco pagdating sa exterior. Interior and convenience. Entertainment at safety and security. Panalo rin ang ating ditong Co-Pilot 360 technology. Kasama pa sa key features nito ang remote vehicle lock and unlock. Ibig sabihin, maaaring ilako ay unlock ang pinto ng inyong sasakyan virtually, nasaan ka man.
So for the Ford Bronco, ma'am, we offer a Sasquatch package. So Sasquatch package, ito yung 35-inch mud terrain. Then also we offer 17-inch beadlock tires. So yun, all-weather performance, okay yung Ford Bronco. Then aside from the Sasquatch package, we offer we call it GOES or goes over any terrain. So we offer normal drive, 4-wheel drive, or the 4x4 high, 4x4 low, and the 4L. Then aside from that, we offer a removable top door. So yun for the air. Then lastly, for the Ford Bronco, it has a 360-degree camera.
At para ito ang inyong enjoyment, meron din itong removable hardtop at doors for an exciting open-air experience. Mayroong iba't ibang kulay na maaaring pagpilian sa bagong Ford Bronco. Eruption Green, Race Red, Cactus Gray, Oxford White, Azure Gray at Shadow Black. Handog naman ng corporate guarantee ang iba't ibang exciting freebies upon application and reservation.
When it comes to reservation, first, bago tayo makuha ng unit, we need to reserve through online. We call it e-commerce. So after nun, ma'am, after sa e-commerce, once na na-approve yung sa unit natin, then yung time na pwede na nating i-release. So more on reservation through e-commerce. Then after that, when it comes to releasing, our freebies usually the tint, Upper Optic Essential, floor mats, set of tools, and also limited Ford tumbler. Then also, what we have right now for the service of the Ford Bronco, 5 years warranty or 150,000 mileage. When we apply or approve through in-house financing, shuttle mortgage, insurance, and LTO, it's free na po yan.
Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo? Pumunta na sa Ford Pampanga na matatagpuan sa Jose Abel Santos Avenue, City of San Fernando at secure ang inyong Ford Bronco.
Our valued clients, we would like to invite you here at Ford Pampanga showroom to see the Ford Bronco, all new Ford Bronco.
Liana Canilao, CLTV36 News.